There was once a boy named Alex who loved soccer more than anything. His biggest dream was to make it onto his school's soccer team. Every day after school, Alex would go to the field and practice for hours. He'd run, kick the ball, and imagine himself scoring the winning goal. He was confident that all his hard work would pay off. When the day of the tryouts came, Alex felt ready. He gave it his all, running fast, passing the ball well, and even scoring a goal. But after the tryouts, when the coach posted the results, Alex's heart sank. His name wasn't on the list. He didn't make the team. Alex felt crushed. He went home and sat quietly in his room, staring at the soccer ball in the corner. His mind raced with thoughts like, maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe I should quit. For the next few days, Alex didn't even want to practice. He felt like all his hard work was wasted. Then, one afternoon, his coach, Mr. Peterson, noticed him sitting alone on the bleachers. The coach walked over and sat down beside Alex. "I know you're disappointed, Alex," he said gently. "But let me tell you something important. Every great player has faced failure. The ones who succeed aren't the ones who never fail, they're the ones who get back up after they fall." Alex looked up, confused. "But I tried so hard, and I still failed," he replied. Coach Peterson smiled. "Exactly. You gave it your best, but now you know where you need to improve. Failure isn't the end, it's just the beginning of your journey. You have a choice: let this failure stop you, or use it as fuel to become better." Those words stuck with Alex. He realized that failure wasn't the end of his dream. Instead of giving up, he decided to learn from it. He went back to the field with a new mindset. This time, he focused on improving the areas where he had struggled during tryouts: his speed, stamina, and passing. Every day, he pushed himself harder, staying late after practice and asking his teammates for advice. Even when he felt tired or frustrated, he kept going, reminding himself of Coach Peterson's words, "Failure is a lesson." Months passed, and the next soccer season arrived. Alex felt nervous but also proud of how much he had improved. He tried out for the team again, giving it his best shot. This time, something felt different. He wasn't just playing to prove himself to others, but to prove to himself that he had grown. When the results were posted, Alex's heart raced as he scanned the list. His name was there. He had made the team. But more than just making the team, Alex learned an even more valuable lesson: failure isn't something to fear. It's a chance to grow, to learn, and to come back stronger. From that day forward, whenever Alex faced challenges, whether in soccer or life, he reminded himself that failure is not the end. It's just the beginning of a stronger comeback. Alex's story teaches us all that setbacks don't define us. What matters is how we rise after falling. So, when life knocks you down, don't stay down. Learn from it, get back up, and keep pushing forward. The comeback is always stronger than the setback.